I'm Kristina Amelong from the Optimal Health Network, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to clear brain fog and support brain health. Brain fog can be caused by inflammation and oxidative stress. It can be caused by heavy metal toxicity, especially aluminum. Hormonal shifts, menopause and andropause can cause brain fog. Also, nutrient deficiencies like low levels of B12, magnesium, omega-3, zinc, and antioxidants can impair brain function. Also, poor gut health and an inability to detoxify well can cause brain issues. Also, a sedentary lifestyle, poor sleep, and stress. So I do have a brain health protocol that I've created for my clients at Optimal Health Network that since I've been doing this for almost 30 years now, I've had such a wonderful opportunity to see the changes with people who are worried about dementia and things like that. So I always use some herbs. Gotu kola and bacopa are two of the ones that I use, and then we'll also support the inflammatory process. I like to use Inflammacor. Also, research has shown that high intensity exercise leads to long-term brain benefits in seniors. So daily exercise is a foundational part of any brain health protocol. I also recommend utilizing the hair tissue mineral analysis so that we can really see what kind of heavy metals are in the body and thus in the brain, in the nervous system, and then to often set up a personalized heavy metal detox protocol. Additional supplements that really help with brain health, if you're not already on them, are magnesium, a good multi-spectrum magnesium, a good B complex like Orthomolecular's Ortho B, and then also fish oil. And with the right protocol, dietary changes, nutritional supplements, good detoxing exercises, and sleep improvement, brain fog can begin to clear within 3 to 10 days. So if you're struggling with brain fog or worried about your future with Alzheimer's, dementia, things like this, do schedule a consultation. Reach out to Optimal Health Network and we can help you via the phone or email, and we'll get you on your personalized brain health protocol.